Today I'm going to use duct tape to make our own DIY wallet. I'm going to start by using this really cool zigzag patterned tape. Duct tape is great. You can rip it in your hands in either direction. But when it's stuck onto something, it's surprisingly strong. If you look closely, you can see a sort of crisscross of fibres running through the tape. To start with, I'm taking some non-stick baking paper and laying it flat on the table. Then tear off a strip of tape roughly 30 centimeters long and stick it to the paper. Take another strip of tape, match up the pattern, and slightly overlap it so it sticks to the first strip. Repeat this another 2 times, and you should have something which looks like this. Remove it from the greaseproof paper and turn it over the other way. Then we're going to take another 4 strips of tape and repeat the process on the other side. Once you're done, you should have something which looks like this. Next, I placed a note onto my new mat and used some scissors to cut it roughly the length I wanted my finished wallet. I folded over this excess tape at the top, and if you wanted to, you could use a guillotine to make your cuts, to make sure they're nice and straight. To make our wallet, we're going to be folding it over not quite in half, like this. And depending on if you've used patterned or plain tape, you might want to use a different style tape to stick the wallet together. I'm trying out this flowery tape to stick together the sides. If you wanted to, you could go all the way around the wallet to make a border. I cut off the excess, and there we have a really simple money pouch. But I've got to be honest, I don't really like the flowery tape. It doesn't really go very well with the zigzag tape. So I peeled it off and tried using a strip of the zigzag tape to stick it together instead. Now it does look better, but the design kind of goes the wrong way against the pattern. So I still wasn't very happy. I peeled it off, and you can see even if I match the tape pattern on one side, once I've overlapped it to the other side, it doesn't match up. So I removed that too, and I decided to use plain tape instead. If you're not using a patterned tape like this, you wouldn't have this problem. So I stuck down each end with the clear tape, then I used a strip of the patterned tape to reinforce it from inside. So it's nice and strong and the pattern isn't broken. Give it a good fold down the middle, and if you like, you can use it like this. It's a pretty funky design and it slides in and out of your pocket easily. But as well as having a sleeve for cash, I wanted to make a couple of credit card holders. So I took some more tape, slightly longer than the length of this card, and I wrapped it around the ends like this, then stuck it to the inside, and removed the card. If you want to, you can do the same on the other side. Then take another strip of tape, match up the pattern, and line it up with the top of the pockets. Press it down and cut off the excess. Now you'll find the bottom of the pocket isn't stuck down yet. So take one more strip of tape, this time line it up with the bottom of the wallet, match up the pattern, and stick it down. This extra layer will fix down the bottom of the pockets and make the wallet stronger. Cut off the excess, and if you need to, you can fold over the lip at the bottom. And that's our wallet complete. We now have 2 credit card holders and a cash envelope. Pretty cool, huh? Fill it up, and this is how it looks. And it's really secure. Even with a good shake and a tap, it's really difficult to make the bits fall out. The cards and the cash fit in securely. And there's so many different patterns and colours of duct tape, you could choose a completely different style. Here's one I made with black tape with a sort of tartan inlay. It looks really smart. And if you wanted to, you could also add more credit card pockets, or one for a photo. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.